Today we're going to talk about topic 4, operation with vectors. We have two different methods. The first one is called parallelogram method. It's when you have two values of vector, that is A and B. To get A, in this case, you have only the y-intercept, that is minus 8, because it's going downwards. You don't have any x because it's not going to the left, neither to the right. The next thing is B. In this case, you have an angle and at the first position you have since x value and y value. The first thing you need to know is to get this angle. In this case, because it's a rectangle, it's going to be 90. So 30 minus 90, it's going to be 60. You have a value of 60. You create an imaginary line to get the value by the trigonometrical rules. For example, for x, you know that you use cosine. So you use the value here, 15 cosine of 60 to get bx. To get by, you use sine instead of cosine. Now, we are going to get the resultant. The resultant is a combination of values of the vectors. The first thing is Rx. Rx is ax plus bx in the a direction. So it's 0 plus 7.5, that is the result of 15 cosine of 60. It's going to be 7.5. The next thing is Ry. You have ay and by. You will use the same method. That is going to be minus 8, that is here, and 15 sine of 60, that is 12.9. The result is going to be 4.9. To get more resultant, it's going to be the root square of Rx to the square plus Ry to the square. Then you substitute with the values of here, that is going to be Rx is going to be 7.5 and Ry is going to be 4.9. Now, to raise to the square, 7.5 is going to be 56.25 plus 4.9 raised to the square, that is 24.01. It's going to be the root square of 80.26, that is going to be 8.9. So your maximum resultant is going to be 8.9. To get the angle of the resultant, you only use inverse tangent of Ry over Rx. That is going to be 4.9 over 7.5. The angle of the resultant is going to be 33.15 degrees. The next method, that is tail-toe-tip method, is not quite different. The only that is different is going to be that this has three vectors, that is going to be C. Now, in this example, we can use the same that we did before. For example, in value of A, AX, and AY, you have an angle, 37. You use the same like the other one, the imaginary line and the trigonometrical rules. For example, in here is 5, but it's going to the left, so it's negative to the x. So it's minus 5 cosine of 37, that is going to be minus 3.9. The next one is AY, that is going to be positive because it's going upwards. So it's going to be 5 sine of 37, that is 3. The next one, that is B, is the same as the other one. That is going to be angle of 70, that is 10 cosine of 70, it's equal to 3.4. To By is the same, but with sine, that is 9.3. To the C, you don't have Cx, so it's going to be 0, and you have Cy, that is negative because it's going downwards, so it's minus 5. Now, to get the Rx, you have to add all the values, that is 8x, bx, and cx. You add them, and you are going to have minus 0.5 in the A direction. To get the Ry is the same, so you use the same method than before, and you are going to get to the maximum resultant 7.3, and for the angle 86 degrees.